Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Luxury and Fashion. So viewers, I am back again with most demanding and most stylish half-shaved undercut short bob haircuts and hairstyle design ideas for beautiful and gorgeous women. Dear viewers, I always try to bring useful content and useful videos about women's latest fashion trends. If you are liking my YouTube channel content, then please support me. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos and like my videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my all upcoming videos. Dear viewers, any age woman can try these beautiful and stunning half-shaved undercut short bob haircuts and hairstyle to look stunning and gorgeous. If you want to look stunning and beautiful, then you should must try these beautiful and stylish undercut short bob haircuts and hairstyle. Office going women should must try these beautiful and stunning short haircuts, as these haircuts are very easy to style and very easy to manage. So viewers, take care and keep visiting my YouTube channel for more updates about women's latest and trendy fashion ideas.